In this video, we will learn in 5 minutes, the steps to introduce the R410A gas into an air conditioner that is completely refrigerant-free. 1. With the equipment turned off, remove the protective caps from the shut-off valves or stems of the pipes, and using a wrench, open them. 2. To remove moisture from the equipment, improve its performance, and extend its lifespan, it is necessary to use the vacuum pump. To do this, connect the yellow hose, located in the middle of the gauges, to the vacuum pump. Also, connect the blue hose from the gauges to the thicker pipe of the air conditioner. Three. Turn on the vacuum pump and quickly open the blue gauge valve to allow communication between the blue and yellow hoses, expelling air and moisture from the pipes through the pump. 4. If the vacuum pump has a vacuum gauge installed, keep the vacuum pump running until the vacuum gauge reads 500 microns of mercury. Before turning off the vacuum pump, close the blue gauge valve. 5. If your vacuum gauge is independent of the vacuum pump, connect it to the connection point of the red gauge hose, and wait for the vacuum gauge to read 500 microns of mercury as well. 6. If there is no vacuum gauge, wait for the blue gauge to read 28 inches of mercury, and then continue vacuuming for an additional 10 minutes. Before turning off the vacuum pump, close the blue gauge valve. 7. Wait for 30 minutes to check the system's tightness, and rule out leaks. If there are leaks, the pressure indicated by the blue gauge will change. 8. If no leaks are found, it's time to introduce the refrigerant gas. So, with the equipment turned off and the blue gauge valve closed, disconnect the yellow hose from the vacuum pump, and now connect it to the R410A tank, without opening the tank yet. 9. Since R410A is a gas mixture, it must be introduced in liquid form or with the tank upside down. 10. To remove new moisture and air from the yellow hose, which enters upon disconnecting it from the vacuum pump, now connect the vacuum pump to the red gauge, open the red valve, and turn on the vacuum pump. 11. Now the vacuum pump sucks air and moisture through the red hose. Keep the vacuum pump running for a minute. To disconnect the pump, first close the red gauge valve, and then turn off the vacuum pump. 12. If you have a weight, check on the air conditioner plate the refrigerant weight required for the equipment. Calculate how much the scale should read when finishing the charge. (13) Now begins the introduction of R410A, open the blue valve and quickly close it to introduce R410A slowly, repeating this procedure of opening and closing several times, until reaching 80% of the weight required by the air conditioner. 14. To finish with the remaining 20% of the R410A charge, turn on the equipment and complete the charge, again opening and closing the blue valve quickly, until reaching the final weight value, now always with the equipment on. When completing the charge, close the R410A container. 15. Before removing the gauges, the amount of R410A remaining in the hoses must be introduced. To do this, with the equipment on, close the stem of the thin pipe of the air conditioner to prevent more refrigerant from entering the indoor unit, and thus, the pressure of the blue gauge will drop. 16. Open the blue gauge valve, observe when the pressure of the blue gauge reaches 0, then quickly disconnect the blue gauge, and almost simultaneously open the valve of the thin pipe of the air conditioner, to allow the system to operate normally. 17. With the amp clamp, measure the current or power of the equipment, and compare it with the normal consumption information on the air conditioner's information plate. The amp clamp should show a lower current value than the plate value.